Welcome to our YouTube channel MME Borewell. I'm J Selvaraj. The company name is MME Borewell. I'm in Bangalore, Karnataka. Just collecting outer side data, searching neighbor borewell conditions. Then start to move borewell side point. Planning to design borewell water point. Surrounding everywhere they got water, no borewell, no failure borewells. So we can proceed to do water plant. Hopefully we'll get nice water. Like lovebirds, customer and diviner has to get love. Then only the work will get success. Hopefully. Start to do divining. Outlook soil is very nice. Borewell also will get nice water. Plan to do small puja before start the work. Always better to do nice job, effective. Pray to God neatly, nicely, hopefully. First try to do map dowsing. First try to do puja with God. After getting blessing, start to do divining with the coconut. Then so many items available for divining. What we like that place water won't available. Where coconut like that place water we can get. That is a procedure law of divining. If coconut get shake movement, we cannot decide about 100% water is there. After that we have to study. It will show you just indicate. After coconut indication, we have to study with L rod, pendulum, so many items is there. After studying, came to know. This is called L rod. Water joint place it will show you. Just study neatly. Water is there. This is called water bottle. Even in this also we can do cross checking the point. This is same like coconut. If this coconut is not available, we can check with this. This is something different item. We can see the big layer. It will show you in this way. Through this, we can find out how many ways jointing this particular borehole point. What we find out. Scratch checking with this pendulum. This instrument, nothing is instrument. This is brass. Said water is there. It will water is there. It will get fell down like coconut. Whatever we do, water point that's not important. Part is Hanabara should has to tally. This I'm mentioning so many videos. Even here also, I'm trying to inform you. Hanabara Nasib should be. If it is fell down, hopefully we can do the bore well. See, is more than 1 inch. If it is more inches there, it will get rotate. It will fall down. This instrument. This is hot water flask. Chumma I did for sampling. Regularly I won't do. We can study the depth, all details from this one. First I have committed casing pipe. Then I'm telling the depth party is note down clearly. 8 ton. 8 ton. This place had doubt. I've not checked beginningly. Then I try to check in this particular place is not is water available. What I give the point will be okay. This only one place is I didn't check beginning, so I feel to check. Then I done, but no use, no water in this particular place. This is Limbukatti. What you can realize from this Limbukatti. Final touch up with the party's water chombo. In this only we did the puja. We'll see it fell down, point is okay. It is not fell down, part is not good. We'll see what happening. Yeah, good part.
ದಬ್ಬಿಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ.
Suddenly the baby tried, that also success.
ದಬ್ಬಿಡಿ
Surprised.
ಬ್ರೋ.
The child tried, successed.
Vale.
Tries to subscribe my channel MME Borewell, all is well.
Vale.
After water comes again how to see this video, then we can prove.
Vale.
Try to subscribe this channel, if possible try to share others, it may get useful for others also, all is well.